you had some experience, you know, like what your career field does in the Air Force. You kind of know what the Air Force does, but then coming here kind of broadens that. You do get that smaller leadership piece and understanding how those interactions work, but you definitely get you interact with people from other AFSCs. You get a bigger strategic picture of how what you do plays into the rest of the world. That's why we have the curriculum broken out the way we do. So the first part of the class is the leadership portion, and that's the portion that talks about personality and how those interactions based on personality kind of they develop, and how to improve yourself as a leader. And then after that, we break into strategic design, which is critical thinking, different ways to be creative and look at how you think and try to adapt and enhance processes. And then after that, you go into joint warfare, and actually joint warfare and great powers competition. That's the next step in your evolution as an officer beyond just being a leader. You have to understand how you interact at that tactical level, but you have to be able to also step away and see how what you're doing plays out on the strategic level, like what your little piece does, like what does this do to the grand picture of everything. Each class is different. You don't really know what to expect when you walk in, like every time you teach a lesson that's like very heavy into the guided discussion, it's a completely new experience, and the students are better for it because they get new perspectives from everyone in the class, but you get a lot from it as the instructor as well. Just like, wow, I didn't know that people thought this, or even considered. I didn't even consider this part of that question or that problem. And I think a lot of people that really like opens their eyes, and I think if you don't get that, you don't develop as a leader in the Air Force.